fishing stuff here. See, I got Frosties there, I got a Fat Boy, some Marmuska, and I got lights, electrical tape, needle noses, got my fishing rods, and that inline reel, you push this button right here, it goes out, and I just, never mind, screwed up on that reel, kinda, pushing it flies out mine. I got ice scoop, tackle, if you guys can see that, sorry, ice fishing, radio, ice scoops, yak tracks. It's my ice anchors there. So we're coming over here. Here's my aqua view. It's pretty stinking sweet. I like it. Here's my fishing pole. All of our fishing poles. Here's my Markham here. Pretty sweet. Like here you can take it. Here's the gain, the zoom, IR. There's a feet you can turn on. You can see it's on. I'm charging it now for Sunday. See here, because my dad was telling me I have to finish, like, get myself organized, so I have my ice fishing rod holders over here. I got that stuff there. Got all my clothing there. Got ice fishing rod holders there. Here we come out to my ice house. It's pretty cool. Walk in here. Sorry if you guys can't see that. Walk in here, you can see the holes. Got the back air vent. We got this. We got my front two windows. You see them there. Top. If you look at the top, if you guys can see that, it's like has arrows and like tent poles. You see this here? You see that there? If somebody goes through, you stick that PVC in the hole, and you drill a hole and you stick the PVC in there. Then you take your rope and you throw it out where they are. Then they pull themselves in.